guys, welcome back to Sip and Dip with Chelsea. I have to start today's video off with a huge spoiler alert. Stop here if you want Maniology's latest box of magic to be a surprise, because today I'm going to be unboxing it. Thank you so much, Maniology, for sponsoring today's video and sending me over this box. It is so cool, you guys. So it is a Halloween countdown box, like an advent calendar. There's going to be 13 mystery products inside. They each have numbers. There's this matching booklet that goes along with each of the products. The cohesion, everything, y'all, is incredible. I have to say that getting to open this box was such an experience, which was really, really cool. So if you are into Halloween or you love stamping, this is a limited edition box. So once it's gone, it's gone. So definitely check it out if you're interested.
Box retails for $116. It's currently on sale for $105, and with my discount code, it brings it to $94.50. So that makes each item retail for between $7 and $8, and I can tell y'all some of these items are definitely worth more than that. Some of these items are exclusive for just this box, so when they're gone, and others will be relaunched later. Now we can dive in. Look at this box. It is just so stunning. The colors, the branding, the packaging. So it says Box of Magic, Abracadabra here on the side. This year's box theme is a circus carnival theme. On the back side here, it says, enter a world full of magic and mystery with Maniology's 2023 Halloween Countdown box. Enjoy 13 creative surprises inspired by the spookiest season of the year. The carnival awaits. All right, y'all, let's open it up. So up here on the top of the box, it says Happy Halloween. We've got that carnival theme you're going to see throughout. Here on the top, we have some beautiful tissue paper. They really just went all out. This is that countdown book that I mentioned earlier. We're going to unbox this as if we're doing it day by day. So right here on the top, it says the circus appeared on Halloween night. With ticket in hand, you're filled with delight. A maze of attractions and thrilling feats. You'll play twisted games and enjoy carnival treats. So now we're going to turn the page to day 1. I'm going to cover up each of the next days. It says, a clown with a balloon leads the way. His twinkling eyes gleam as if to say, come closer, dear, and see inside. There's no turning back and no place to hide. So now let's go find day number 1. Right here we have a cute little sticker. It says, you're full of magic. So now we're going to unbox the tissue paper. I love all of this. It is so cute with the food theme. And here are all of the products inside. You can see they each have a sticker coordinating with the day. So we've got 1 through 13. Let's grab number 1 right here. Number 1 is an exclusive item for just this box. It is a crystal clear stamper and scraper set. This is the Boo Balloon Monocle Stamper. So inside we have the scraper. It is this really cute purple, and the theme, you're going to hear me say 100 times, it is just so cohesive. They really knocked it out of the park. It says Boo. We've got some balloons on here and the matching monocle stamper. So this is the jelly stamper that you would use to pick up the design on the stamping plate. On to day 2, Happy Halloween reads a glowing sign atop a circus tent with striped design, streamers and lights strewn on top, balloons inflated until they pop. So day number 2 is going to be a stamping plate. This packaging, it is so perfect for this theme. You see, you got the sticker here. It says Alakazam on back. This is the number down here if you're interested. And then on the front, it says a magical stamping plate. I did my best to capture the design. It's so hard to not get a glare, but if you remember on day 2 it mentioned the balloons and the streamers of lights. Look at that. You have the jack-o'-lanterns of hanging lights on here. You get the balloons over in the bottom corner. I love that they did such a great variety of sizes and designs. You have those pumpkins up top there that you can add those jack-o'-lantern faces on. Lots of great negative space ideas of layering. This one, you guys, is so much fun. Now for day number 3, inside the tent you take your seat next to a funny little clown with needle-sharp teeth. His green eyes lock you into a hypnotic gaze, and with a sudden snap you're left dizzy and dazed. I just noticed the number at the top of the booklet also matches the sticker, not just the numbers, but the sticker design. So here is number 3. I swear, I'm noticing more and more cohesion as I'm going on. You can see the packaging. You've got that really trippy swirl here on top. So opening it up, I see we're getting a polish. So inside is this perfect Halloween slime green. That's what I keep thinking it looks like. It says trickster, and if you remember from our little rhyme, there was green eyes. So let's open this up and let's swatch. So this is a stamping polish with just 3 little quick strokes. I let this dry and then I decided I wanted to see it with a second layer. So with the second layer, I feel like it really went full coverage. You can see a lot more of the green tone here. Day 4 reads, clowns and performers at wavering heights, with menacing smiles and demented delight. The colors seem brighter, the sounds too loud. You race from the stands, tumbling to the ground. Day 4 looks like it's going to be another stamping plate with the same matching plate cover as the last one. On the back side here is the number if you are interested in finding it later. So remember our rhyme said clowns and performers, so this one is definitely a performer's circus tent theme. I actually really love that they added these pumpkins in as well because it gives kind of a fall feel. So I find this to be a little bit more versatile than just Halloween, but we totally have the circus tent. We've got the clowns, the performers, all of it. Day 5 reads, gumdrop gems sparkle and gleam on the heels of the ringmaster like a haunted dream. She extends a glove helping you from the floor and with a baton gestures to the door. This item is an exclusive, and at first I was not sure what it was going to be based on the size, but if I remembered from that rhyme, it mentioned gumdrop gems. So this is a gumdrop gem for your nails. So these have a flat side and then the other side is just like a gumdrop. So yes, this is exclusive. The colors are really fun and just like the rhyme says, it matches perfectly. On to day 6, it says carnival treats, stuffed animals in sight, prizes and toys that fill you with delight. Your senses calmed among the eerie scene of candy, cakes, and jelly beans. I was so excited for this one right off the bat because I loved all the food theme wrapping paper. So it's going to be another stamping plate, and inside this one is definitely my favorite out of the entire box. I love the cutesy Halloween. Don't come for me, I'm not into gore, but I like all the little poison apples with the bows and the stuffed animals. This one, you guys, is so up my alley. I am obsessed. Day 7 says, step right up to the carnival games. Everyone's a winner with a prize to claim. Rusty tools, broken toys, treats and tricks. Which of these prizes will you pick? So let's see what's going to match with this rhyme. Just as the booklet mentioned, we're getting a tool. So I really want to give them props for doing boxes so everything is packaged safely inside within a box. And it looks like these are tweezers. So it has this little protective film on the one end of the tweezer side. So these are going to work great to pick up stickers, decals, those little gems that we got. And then on the other edge here, I am assuming this is to help flatten stickers. I'm not 100%, but that's what my guess is. Day 8 says, with a pop and a hiss, smoke fills the air. Then out lurks a figure in a hat with a hair. Taken by the arms through the shadowy haze, you're guided toward the spotlight on a fanciful stage. So judging by the packaging, it looks like we are getting some sort of polish inside. So we've got that same trippy design here on the top. And inside, let's take this one out. Just like the booklet said, it mentioned the shadow. So I see we are getting this smoky gray inside. This is also a stamping polish and the name is Smoke Show. It is a true one coat coverage type of polish. You can see it has a beautiful full coverage gray look. Day 9 reads, the magician and rabbit announce their thrilling surprise. Then you're locked in a box, a scarf blinding your eyes. Applaud from an audience erupts with laughter and awe as you're deafened by the roar of a hacking chainsaw. So day 9 looks to be another stamping plate, a magical stamping plate. Here is the information here on the back side, and just like it said, we have some magical animals. This is definitely more of the magician's theme stamping plate. So we've got the hat, we've got the hair, some spiders, some magic books in here, the cards, everything about this one screams magician. Day 10 says, to your surprise, you crawl out unscathed. The magician and rabbit shove you off stage. A big band plays a lively exit tune. Your consolation, a lollipop and a deflated balloon. So y'all, heads up, day 10 is an exclusive. And I know I mentioned that other stamping plate is my favorite, but this one, y'all, I actually don't own anything like this. I do not have any stamping organizers. I am still very new to the stamping world. This tissue paper is just so freaking cute. but I am really excited for what is inside. So this is a stamping plate organizer, and the theme again is the super cute food theme. I'm obsessed. This is exclusive, and it is definitely more than that $7 to $8 average that I mentioned at the beginning. So stinking cute, y'all. So opening it up, you can see we have the little sleeves inside. So you would just put your stamping plates in here to keep them safe, protected, organized. So this would totally be a cute little Halloween stamping theme for you to put them inside of here. Day 11 says, "Charming, says the stagehand, what a great show, but the time has finally come for you to know the fate of your life and all that is true. Old Madam Wise is here waiting for you." So day 11 looks to be some sort of polish, and it is. It is a very vibrant Halloween purple. It is called Charmed. So here's what it looks like inside. It is so pigmented. Another stamping polish, so perfect for stamping, especially with these plates. And on just one coat, it is a gorgeous, very full coverage purple. We're almost done, y'all. So day 12 says, "At the mystic tent, you are beckoned inside by an old lady seer with white clouded eyes. On bated breath, you watch her deal a tarot spread of your fortune sealed." Exclusive alert, y'all. I was not sure at all what this was going to be. It is not packaged at all like the other items. It doesn't feel like the other items. So I was trying to rip open this paper as quick as I could. And it is a stamping mat. So this is a silicone mat. Why this is so freaking cool is because you can practice your designs over here on these fingers. You can see what it's going to look like on black, on white. You can add other colors on it. It wipes off clean with acetone. We have that, still theme right here in the center with the tarot card reading. You have some measurements down here. So if you want to see if it's going to fit on your nail, the design size, all the things. This is exclusive. We made it to the end. Day 13. The past she croons, a card of challenges and tears. The present I see, your courage through fear. At last your future card looks very bright. You'll live a long life of love, creativity, and light. Our last item looks to be another stamping plate. Magical stamping plate, I might add. So like it says, we have that tarot card theme. You've got a lot of negative space options with this one as well. So you can put your fortune over in that little ball in the corner. I really like the moons, the stars. Everything about this one is definitely magical. And I still cannot get over how much more each time I watch the video that I'm seeing. Our last page says, "As you leave, the sunrise has begun to glow. The tents packed up and performers ready to go. Quickly as it came, the circus fades from sight, leaving behind memories of an unforgettable night." So as we flip through the booklet, it gives you some design ideas, and not only that, but also how they did it. So they give a step-by-step picture instruction on how to accomplish each design. Again, we're going to flip over and you'll see another design. So some really great ideas with those stamping plates that are included, and once again, you get that step-by-step picture instruction. Now we just have an itemized list of all of the products that are inside of the box. Then we have some care tips, so how to take care of your mat, the tweezers, some tips and tricks on how to use those little nail art stones, which I find really helpful. Then the back says happy stamping. So it's some blank pages for you to swatch, stamp, or jot down some ideas. The rest is up to you. Here are the 3 stamping polishes in a different light. I wanted y'all to see them all together. And then here are how they look next to the box. Like I said a trillion times, the packaging and cohesiveness of this is incredible, unmatched. I've never seen anything like it. I can only hope they do something like this for Christmas as well. If you're into Halloween, if you enjoy stamping, I really had so much fun getting to unbox this. The way they did the matching rhyme with the theme of the product, it's truly incredible. So yes, some of these items will be exclusive. Some will be re-released at a later date, so stay tuned for that. I cannot wait to hear what y'all think of this. Have you ever seen anything like this before? Thank you so much, Maniology, for letting me open up this box and play with everything inside, for sponsoring today's video. And thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned. I definitely plan to do a design with all of these new goodies, and I will see y'all next week.